spicy raspberry limeade mocktail.
Hi foodies. I almost feel like I'm doing something wrong because I'm making a mocktail in the middle of the day. I just got back from walking with my neighbor and I was like, you know what? I don't want a smoothie. I'm just gonna make a mocktail. We're just gonna have a mocktail in the middle of the day, and it kind of feels a little naughty, I don't know. So I love California balsamic vinegars. Anyone that knows me knows that I am a VUPI, a complete vinegar VUPI. Look at my stash, and I just received my newest stash. My husband's favorite is jalapeno lime, and the other day I made some mocktails and we used the raspberry flame, and we used the coconut white balsamic. But then we had a little bit more of our lemon concoction. I had made a lemonade. I had just taken lime juice and diluted it with water. And so we had enough for a second mocktail, and my husband used the jalapeno lime, and oh my gosh, it took it up a notch. We loved it. So I'm going to make him some jalapeno lime, and I'm gonna see if maybe I make myself the raspberry flame again, but I'm using jalapenos. So I have some jalapenos in my yard, and so I'm going to go ahead and try not to kill us with the heat. So I'm gonna do half of a jalapeno per drink. That's for us. If you don't like it that spicy, feel free not to use jalapenos. I'm gonna kind of cut it, muddle it a little to get the little heat coming out, and I am going to leave the seeds so that it comes out spicier. So we like spicy around here, especially in drinks. I'm gonna go ahead and put my jalapeno in there, and I have some lime juice in here. All I did was squeeze 3 limes, and then I put it in my cup here, and I filled it up. It came to here about 1/4 cup, and then I filled up the rest with water. So that is going to be my base. So just make yourself whatever base you're going to do, and then work with the California balsamic vinegars to kind of like deliver a taste that you're looking for. So I'm going to muddle some mint into here, and by muddling I just mean I'm just going to mash it up and get it flavoring, because you want the mint to kind of activate. So you want to kind of bring out the oils in the mint by kind of crushing it. So then I'm going to take my raspberries and I'm going to mash them. And you could use one of the California balsamics to mash them, but to add a little bit of sweetness, I'm going to use a little bit of maple syrup. You can choose whatever sweetener you prefer, date syrup or whatever sweetener you are okay with using. We are whole food plant-based, and we try to do no oil, no sodium, and no refined sugars. So we only use whole sugars. So I don't mind using the maple syrup. So I'm going to be using the maple syrup. If you don't like the maple syrup, just use something else. I'm going to muddle it with a little bit more. These are super easy. And we are making a mocktail, but I mean, if you want to add a little vodka, or you want to add a little rum, or you want to add something else to it, or a splash of bubbles, it would go great with that too. So I'm going to put a little bit of my raspberry mash in each cup, and I'm going to save the rest for a future mocktail. And then I'm going to put ice in these. You see, you can shake them in a shaker if you want, but I'm not even going to do that. And then I've got some beautiful little watermelon radishes that I'm going to just put on the glass at the end to make it look pretty. I like rose water. My husband does not. If you like rose water, you can do a dash. I like doing just 1 little cupful. I love this with lemonade. It's delicious. And I'm going to do the raspberry flame in mine. So I kind of put, I eyeball it, but for you guys' purpose, I'll probably do 3 teaspoons of the raspberry flame. And then we're going to stir it up, and I'm going to pour the lemonade in. For my husband, I'm going to do, and I'm going to stir it up. For my husband, he loves the jalapeno lime. I should have bought more bottles. I have a code right now. It's WFPB Foodies. If you've never shopped with them before, they'll give you free shipping. a one-time free shipping code. So I'm just gonna eyeball it for him. It's probably about a tablespoon that I'm putting in there for him. And I should have bought more of these because he's going through the jalapeno lime like water. It's got a nice heat, but it's also sweet. I'm going to kind of muddle that jalapeno that we have in here. Gonna muddle mine. And then I'm gonna hit his with some lime juice. And that is it, guys. I'm gonna put my little watermelon radishes as a pretty little garnish. And I can even put some cut up ones that will soak up the flavors of the mocktail. You guys use whatever you have. This is not a recipe that you have to run out and get. You can use whatever ingredients you have. Get creative. Use the coconut one, which is the coconut white. The other one that is delicious in mocktails is the sunrise grapefruit. There are just so many. Strawberry blonde, the raspberry flame. There's just so many to choose from. There's the orange mango passion fruit, the lavender balsamic. Get creative and make yourself some delicious mocktails. Cheers, everybody. Have a happy day. I'm gonna try it. Heat. Perfect. Bye, everybody. Have a happy day.